Okay, here you have a problem where you have fractions, and so you need to find your LCD. So for 3 and 4, they both go into 12. That's your LCD. So then you need to multiply each term by 12. So I'm going to put parentheses 12, parentheses 12, and then this is multiplied by 12. The reason why you want to do that is because 3 goes into 12 4 times. 3 goes into 12 4 times. And you have gotten rid of the fraction. Okay, equals, and then 4 goes into 12 3 times, so you have 3 times 5u plus 6, and then 6 times 12, that's 72. So we're going to just leave that as a 72. We're going to distribute, so that's 400 minus 16u is equal to 15u. Plus 3 times 6 is going to be 18 plus 72. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to combine those two, 18 plus 72. 18 plus 72 is 90. So that's going to be 400 minus 16u is equal to 15u plus 90. Subtract the 15u. And so I'm going to have 400 minus 31u is equal to 90. Subtract the 400. Okay. So now we have negative 31u. 90 minus 400 is negative 310. And now you divide by negative 31. And so u is positive 10. So that's my final answer there. Okay, number 5. Minus 18 minus 18. So that's the square root of x plus 4 equals 6. Now you square both sides. So now that the radical, it's kind of like the absolute value. Now that the radical is by itself, you can square both sides. Why do you want to do that? So they can cancel right here. So now we have x plus 4 equals 36. Subtract the 4. And so x is equal to 36 take away 4 is 32. Now we have to check for extraneous solutions. Okay. So we have to check for extraneous. So that means I need to plug that 32 in here. So I'm going to just do it on my calculator. You could do it on Desmos. I'm going to do the square root of 32 plus 4 plus 18. That gives me 24, which is 24. So that means that this does work. This is a solution. Okay. The last one over here is you have x plus 2 to the 2/3 is equal to 9. So what we need to do is we're going to take this power and do the reciprocal. So we're going to do x plus 2 to the 2/3, but we're going to take it to the 3/2. So we do the reciprocal. And so whatever we do to one side, we have to do it to the other side. So that's 9 to the 3/2. Okay, the reason why we want to do that is because this cancels with this and this cancels with that. So you're left with x plus 2 is equal to, and then we're going to plug that into the calculator. You guys can use Desmos. Desmos works just the same. And we're going to plug in 3 over 2. And you're going to get 27. Subtract the 2. So that's x equals 25. So again, we have to check for extraneous solutions. We always have to check for extraneous solutions. So we're just going to plug in the 25 in there. I'm going to use the calculator. You can use Desmos. 25 plus 2, and then to the 2/3. And see if it equals 9. And it does. So this one works as well. So remember, you have to check them because sometimes they do not work. Okay, so enjoy your lesson for today. Have a wonderful day.